All right, guys, today I want to talk to you something about, a little bit different that everybody's going to need at one point or another. It's tap and die sets. And I just picked both of these sets up at Napa. They was $102 a piece. So let's get into this thing.
So man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
All right, guys, here is the metric 40-piece GearWrench tap and die set. That part number is 3886. Eventually you're going to need a tap and die set, and I've looked at a couple of different ones, and for the money I decided to go with the GearWrench set. They do offer a lifetime warranty. I kind of like this set because it does have the ratcheting handle on it. It provides a 5-degree ratcheting arc swing. I'll get in here a little bit closer and we'll look at these things in just a second. I also picked up the SAE set. It's also a 40-piece. That part number is 3885. But let's open one of them up, and that way you guys can kind of see the way they come. I really like cases because you're able to keep everything together and organized. So that was one of the things that I really liked about this set. It's a really nice set for the money, and it also, the way the handle's designed, it works with a lot of the pass-through extensions, so you can actually put the extension on the ratcheting handle if you want to do that. And so let's get this camera in here and we'll take a good close look at all this stuff. So let's get to it. You can kind of see a little bit about what's going on in the box. It shows the handle, how it works. There's actually all the parts individually in the box. There's talking about where you can use your die adapter to work with other, like your extensions and stuff like that. It's designed to use in confined spaces. So let's actually get into what's inside that fancy plastic case. All right, like I say, this is the SAE set. Let's get in here when we get a good close look at them. It starts with a 1/4-inch NFC 28, a 1/4-inch NFC 20, and it goes down to a 4 NC 40. Here's a 5/16. There's your 3/8, 7/16 and a half. Like I say, I like the case on this, and that way it's pretty easy to find what you're looking for at any time. And that's all your taps there, and your dies. 1/4 by 20, 5/16, 1/4 by 28, 5/16 by 24, 3/8 by 16, 3/8 by 24, 7/16 by 14, 7/16 by 20. Anyway, we're not going to go through all of them. There's a halves. These are 4 by 40s and 12 by 24s. As you can see, it's got the adapter. Here's the 1/8 by 27. And here is the handle for it. Like I say, it's a reversible ratcheting handle. This is an extremely nice set. I looked at buying the Snap-on set, and I also looked at the Carlisle set, and I decided to go with the GearWrench. A lot of part because of the money, and I like the way the case was designed. I like the way everything was marked. Each one of the taps are marked as well as the holders that they go in. So that was a pretty nice set. It's pretty nice to have it laid out in a case like that. I know a lot of sets just come in the little plastic pouches. The original tap sets that I do are just loose in a plastic package, and over time, of course, that'll eat up that plastic package, and of course normally that's where the writing is. So then you're hunting and pecking to find what you need. I like to be able to just grab it, be able to read it clearly. Here is the metric set. Like I say, it's you know, also a 40 piece. There's that part number there. And it's pretty much the same identical layout as the SAE set, but it is, you know, the metric set. So let's get this thing open. All right, here is the box. It's got the locks on it here. They do fit pretty snug, as you can hear. Here's all your replacement parts in case you want to break one, damage one, or whatever. You'll have the part numbers for all of it. And it is the same way as the other one. This one's got metric 3 millimeter, 0.05, 0.06, 4 millimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Same way down here on your dies. 3 millimeter up to 12 millimeter. Same pretty much concept as the other one. These will help you identify the threads. If I can get it open here one-handed. There we go. As you can see, it'll make it a little easier on you. Both sets have those. And they're identified metric, and of course the standard or SAE. But anyway, that's what they look like inside the box. And for $102 a piece, I don't think it was too bad a price. You might find them cheaper on Amazon, but of course it's easier to always go to the Hot Napa and pick them up in person. And they are lifetime warranty, so that makes it very nice. All right, guys, that's my video today on the tap and die set by GearWrench. Both of them are a 40-piece set. Like I say, the SAE set, part number is 3885. The metric set, part number is 3886. Hope you guys like this video. Like always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.